Hey, what's going on in Billy Monster's garage today? This is the neighbor's daughter's Honda Civic SI, the little turbo 2020 model. Fun looking little tiny car. Although it has a terrible clutch. Isn't the first time clutch can be changed on this. The Honda was kind enough to put out a service bulletin, and from what I read, they'll change it the first time under warranty, but after that you're pretty much on your own. And so I believe she had it changed once or twice before already, but I'm going to change it for her again because it is completely gone. I can smell it when I'm under the hood. But car won't go at all, so it's completely gone. Took the little inspection cover off the bottom of the transmission. You can see the teeth on the flywheel, and there was clutch fibers laying all over the place, so you know it's come apart. From what I've read on reviews on this car, I think the reason the clutch gets chewed up is because it's got the push button starter, and when you turn it off, when you park your car and turn it off, you got about 2 seconds before the engine actually stops. So if you're still in gear when you turn it off and you think, hey, I turned the car off, I can let out the clutch and get out. You just pop the clutch with the brake on usually, and stop it hard, and it's a lot of banging on that clutch, and it's not a very big clutch. It's not a big engine. It's a 1.2 with a turbo, but it's got a little bit of oomph for a little tiny car. I'm sure it's a fun little zippy car. I haven't driven it yet, but I will once I change this clutch. So gonna yank it out of there, see what's what, see if I got to change the flywheel also, and then I'll order some parts, and we'll get it back together, and she'll be back on the road in no time. So, yeah, you signed for the shop. You can see that. Yeah, it was a Christmas present. Billy Monster's garage, kind of cool. It's the new version of Neon. It's LED, but that's pretty awesome. See you next time. I'll keep you updated on this monster, see what happens.